Hello students, in previous video we have seen the properties of emery tree and also we have seen one definition of tree traversal. In that definition we have to see three algorithms of tree traversal. So among that we have seen the first tree traversal algorithm, that is of pre-order traversal. So now let's see the second tree order traversal. So second is what? In order traversal. In order traversal. So let's see the definition of it and later on its examples. So definition, what the definition says. Now you know in pre-order traversal, first of all we will visit root, later on we will visit the trees, subtrees of it from left to right. So here in order traversal, let T be an ordered rooted tree with root R if T consists only R, only of R means what? Only root. Then R is the in order traversal. R is the in order traversal of T. Otherwise, suppose that T1, T2 and so on up to Tn are the subtrees of it, subtrees at R from left to right, obviously in a rooted tree T. The in order traversal will begin, or it begins by traversing T1 in order. Then visiting R, it continues by traversing T2 again in order, and then T3 in order, and finally Tn in order. Now diagrammatically let me tell to you what is in order traversal. Suppose again here the root R, okay, and it has subtrees T1, T2, then what? Tn, suppose Tn. So here step 1 is for this T1. We visit this T1 in order. Visit T1 in order. After visiting T1 in order, we visit root here. So this is step 2. Step 2 is what? Visit R. Then next step 3 is to visit T2. Visit T2 in order. And then this is step n+1. N trees are there and one root is there. That's why steps are increased. Steps are how many? n+1, right? So visit Tn in order. This is our step n+1, and this is in order traversal. Basically from diagram you will get it clearly. If only R is there, then it is itself in order traversal, but if it is not, it has some subtrees also, then we will start from T1, then we will visit to root, and then come to second subtree and so on up to the last subtree. Let's see the example on it. The question is that in which order does the in-order traversal visit the vertices in the order rooted tree? Now the order rooted tree is given as, suppose these are the children of this root. Fine. Here then suppose here this is A, this is B, C, D, here suppose E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. These many vertices are here. This is our example. Now solution for in-order traversal. Look at the question, which traversal is that? So we have to follow in-order traversal algorithm here. So in in-order traversal algorithm, we will look for the root first. So this is a root, this is root here, and it has how many children? So according to that, subtrees are there. So root has the children B, C and D. So here this B gives us first subtree, so it is T1. So our first step is to visit T1. So I will write T1 here. Okay. This is E, F, G, then J, K, right? Then I must visit root. So A. Then I must visit the next trees. So A to C, and then this subtree of parent D, H, I, then H has 3 children, L, M, N. Fine. Next step, now again treat this as one rooted tree and follow the same thing. So here our first tree will be what? This E, J, K, then B, F, G as such. So what will our step here? This is E, J, K, then we will take B, then F, then G, then what? This A as it is, C as it is. Here again this subtree of H we have to take, right? So L, M, N, then D and what? I. So now again follow the same one for this is our second step here. Follow the same one for this tree. So J, then E, then K. Fine. J, E, K, then what? B, then F, G, A, C. Here again L, H, M, N, right? Left, then root, then other trees D and what? I. This is our order here, in order traversal. This is the answer here. This is the way of visiting these vertices using in order traversal algorithm. Fine. Now let me give one example as a homework to you of this kind. Take this as a homework. The same question I had written, simply I will change the tree. So tree will be suppose as such. Here D, here suppose E and F, and here it has suppose 3 children, G, H and G, H, I. Okay, suppose now find out its order using in order traversal to visit the vertices. Fine. Now let's go for the next one, post order traversal. Now next, third tree traversal is that post order traversal. Now let's write the definition of it first again. Definition, what does it say? Let T be an ordered rooted tree with root R if T consists only of R. It will be a singleton that time, isolated tree is that one. Then R is the post order traversal of T. Otherwise, suppose that T1, T2 and so on up to what? Tn are the subtrees of this T at R from left to right, in T. The post order traversal begins by traversing T1 in post order, then T2 in post order, and so on up to what? Tn in post order. And finally it ends by visiting R. Now let me show by diagram again. It will be R suppose, and it has subtrees, suppose T1, T2 and so on up to what? Tn. So here first of all, in post order traversal, first of all our step 1 is to visit this T1, in post order. Again step 2, visit T2 in post order. Then step n is visit Tn in post order. And at last we have to visit a root R. Step n plus 1 is that. Step n plus 1 is to visit this R. So now in pre-order traversal, first of all we will visit root, then these trees in continuous order. In order traversal, first of all we visit T1 in order, then root, and then these trees in order. Now in post order traversal we have to visit all these subtrees in post order, and later on we have to go to visit root. Fine. Now let's see the example on it. The question is that in which order does the post order traversal visit the vertices in a given rooted tree? Okay. So the tree is, suppose here B, C, D. It has the children's E, F and here suppose G, H and I. So now we have to use post order traversal here. So solution, first of all we have to visit all subtrees of this root. So A is root here. This is our first subtree, C is the second subtree, and this while this with this D as a parent as the third subtree here. So our first step is this B, E, F, right? Then C, then this subtree of D, and then at last we have to visit the root, that is A. Fine. Now again this subtree we will visit in post order. So in post order we will visit E first, then F, and then what? B. Again this C as it is. Again in this subtree we will visit in post order. So G, H, I, and then D. D will play a role of root here in this subtree. Fine. And at last what? A. So this is our final answer for this here. Now let's take the next example. Now in that example I won't write step by step, I will just explain to you. It is slightly a bigger tree. If I write step by step, I don't have a space to write those things here. So pay attention while explaining. This is our tree here. We have to use post order traversal again here. So now look at this. Is first of all I will visit B. So I will write directly the last step. You have to write it in detail. So B is my first vertex. Which one I will visit? That one I will go for this subtree where the parent is what? C. Right? In that one again in post order I will go for this subtree with E. In that one again in post order I will go with J, K, and then E. So J, K, and then what? E. Fine. Then I will go for F. Later on again this subtree with post order L, M, and then what? G. And at last I will go to whom? C. Fine. Similarly with this parent as a D, I will go to H, right? Then I will go to this I as a parent. In that one again I will go in post order. I will go to this subtree with N as a parent. So I will get P, Q, R, then N, then O, right? Then I, here D, and at last I will go to A. This is my final answer of this question. Fine. So now in post order traversal we will start with the subtrees and we have to traverse in post order way here also. Fine. And at last we have to go to the root of it. Now here we will stop for this video. In next video we will see infix, prefix, and postfix notations. Now what are these actually? Let me tell you. Sometimes some of the expressions such as compound expressions, as prepositions, combinations of sets, and arithmetic expressions, that can be represented using ordered rooted tree. That is nothing but infix, prefix, and postfix notation. In that one also we have to use these algorithms of tree traversal, that are inward, in order, pre-order, and post-order traversal. According to that, these are infix, prefix, and postfix notations given to us. Okay, thank you.